Bitch. Very nice. I like it. Green engine block.
No.
No,
Tricky style.
black. Trick always green. He's like
Pussy.
green, like Rango.
My fucking god, mate.
What?
You remember that gay shit under the hood?
Huh?
You remember the gay shit under the hood on the car?
Yeah.
In the engine bay. I have one.
Oh my god.
I just noticed now.
It's like stickers,
I
yeah?
fucked up. Yes, flowers and shit.
Oh my god. It's very not good.
I know, I'm going back to the fucking tuning shit, mate. It's a sticker bomb strut. What the fuck is this?
Bench.
Oh, sticker bomb, mate.
Oh, I like that camo one.
The fuck is this?
Oh, I like that one camo, you know? Very nice colors.
Camel toe?
Camo Banshee, very good colors. Ah! I will copy your fucking shit, man. Будет так, как будет. Very nice
Other look
camo.
like shit, what the fuck? Another race struts shit, mates.
I want creamy Jeezy in my pants, squeezy little peasy. Oh.
You like Jeezy in your
Jeezy
pants?
squeezy in your pants, Jeezy wheezy. Okay.
You like Jeezy Weezy in your pants?
I like Jeezy squeezy, meezy schmeezy in your pants.
In my pants?
No, my god.
What the fuck?
I don't know.
You give me try your car, I give you my car to try.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Where is
my
my-
green lemon shit car.
Go to the server, mate, and not into the
Ah, shit. Yeah, where's my lemon car? Oh, there she is, my beautiful bitch.
Lemon?
My beautiful
You mean
bitch.
green car?
Green.
Sports lemon color.
Yeah. You like Need for Speed? No,
Yeah.
not Fast and Furious, maybe.
Yeah.
It looks like 100% Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Tokyo, no, not Tokyo, maybe Tokyo.
Look at my inside, go inside my car, first person.
First
First
person?
person. Look at that shit, I will try your car.
You some really good shit inside? Like a real drift shit car. And that monkey, mate.
That monkeysimo.
Monkey, chunky monkey.
But can that shit drift,
Come on,
mate?
man, if they could make all the upgrades for all cars like this, oh my god, it would be fucking amazing.
Your car doesn't want to drift that much like Banshee, mate.
Yeah, bunch of drifts a bit more.
Sultan RS, man. Straight from GTA 4.
Yeah, I like Need for Speed shit.
That's not Need for Speed, it's Fast and Furious.
Yeah, Fast and Furious. Need for Speed.
Some fucking part of the fucking movie. The old one.
The first one.
The none. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah, Mitsubishi Evolution, green.
Yeah.
What goes around, comes around, blah blah blah, la la la. Justin Timberlake, man.
Justin Bieber, man.
No, Timberlake is the better.
The
better.
The better.
The better.
Timberlake is the
The
better.
better, the harder, the
The
better.
better than the Bieber.
Yeah.